Yeah, man. Good morning, man. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend and we again. Yeah, I see the whole on up on my page, you know. All I know do I watch my page, you know, nobody now blood clean. You see me? Like my thing them and share my thing them. They're going to come off on my page, please. If you're not on my page, I want to now go like my thing them or share them, please. Want to come off on my page. You see me? I don't need them up on my page. I don't want nobody to watch my page. You see me? Shake me, I tell you now. Come off on my page. Because I don't see where I go on. You think me a fool? Me don't see where I go on. And I don't see how I look for a man already. You see me? So, I don't know how I think already, you know. That I make on know, you know. I didn't know how I think already, you know. Because for all this time, when I come on my page and I check my video them, I never see one I want to like my thing them yet. You see me? I share my thing them. So that means that I definitely I give man a fight. You see me? When you just come on man page, watch man and see what me I do. To say me I do good, so you can go back and blood clot, do what you're supposed to do. But I'm telling you something. All of them who are there want to work, and the money want to spend for work the Wobia, and you need to go back and get it from the Wobia man. Because none of it can stop me. And last night I get the dream. And you cannot stop me. The whole of them try to hold me down. And I get the dream last night. A peer spirit to fight me. But let me tell you something. I see the fight. Trust me. I feel the hate. Believe me. Me soon not struggle with me becoming great. But let me tell you something. If you never know this, God and God alone are going to help me to move mountains and the obstacle were there in my way. This year, me I press gas and God I steer. Time and time I come close for crossover, but cannot catch a break. You see me? Missing out because of the timing. But still, I believe and I keep on going, striving, believing, knowing that one day better I go come. The gate must open for me now. The gate must open for me and them have to let me in. I have to go through the gate one day. Remember me telling you that. So you see, all I want to do now fight me, you can't stop me. So all I want to fight, you know fight, you know fight. You just keep on blood clot fight. You see me? Yeah, man. We get the dream last night, man. And I know where I go on, man. And I see everything clearly, man. But I just act like something I see it. And I'm telling you something. You cannot stop me. Time and time again, me telling them he's a born liberal. But born for greatness. Nobody can stop me. Only me alone can stop myself. By being lackadaisical. And that not happening. You know what I say? When you cannot stop me. So all of them try, all the try, all not try. It's not going to work. You see me? When you're supposed to glad to see a youth like me, I try to uplift himself, knowing this part I come from. Knowing my situation when I come out of.
No, this is fucking bad. Like, it's not...
You see me? Everybody come on my page. There are so much people that check out my video, them and only got 4, 5 likes me again. I want to come off on my page, man. I want to come off on my page, man. Because it's a youth show support to everybody. Everybody me show support. You see me? Come on the page. I soon do something and it's worthy. All comment on the page. And the whole on the man page, I spy on man page. I run up and down and yo, come off on my page. Come off on my page. Because none of them can harm me. That me make you know. All the who they want to walk can't stop me. That me make you know. So, you better go back on the money from the blood clot Wobia man. Or the Wobia woman, whichever one you go to. That me make you know. Please like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we again. Boom, boom, boom. Badmind. Hello, good morning. No, son, I never want to see me wake up to keep talking.